So a lot of people ask me how to make one of those tornadoes, those twisted tornadoes, in Discord a lot. They ask a lot, so I'm just gonna make it instead of explaining it one by one to everybody. Just add a circle. Go to a view you like the y-axis. Hit tab to enter edit mode, extrude and scale, extrude and scale, extrude and scale, and extrude and scale. Alright, now that you have that, click A to select all, subdivide. We have 1000 tris. And now let's subdivide 4000. Let's not subdivide more, otherwise you can't import it to Roblox Studio. Add a vertex group, assign the weight, and fall off type should be custom curve. New texture mask, global. Click this button to instantly go there. Clouds, tab. You can see what you have done without going to object mode. So mask. So if we're just on edit mode, you can see, but like this going like that, can. Let's increase this. Add another modifier, smooth, and simple deform. I just like doing that. I know I need white Z-axis, but I just like doing that. It just looks cool in my perspective. And it's twisted. See? Also, I'm going to show you something. Clicking these buttons will make it minimize. And it won't just stop working. It will just look smaller. Yes. So the reason you need to do this in order is because if you do that, the mask is going to be first, then you're going to look at the vertex weight edit. But if it's down here, it's going to perform this task first, the weight edit first, then it's going to use the mask edit. So that's really important for you using the order, otherwise you're going to mess up. So it's twisted now. Just add some color. You don't need to keep watching now. I'm just going to do the same thing with the circle. If you want to learn how to do that with the circle, it's really simple. It's just the same thing. You just gotta increase the size. I would like you to keep watching, but Shift A, mesh, UV sphere. I'll decrease that because I'm going to increase the subdivision. 1000, 4000. Vertex group. I said assign color. There we go. Vertex weighted group. Custom curve. Same thing all again. New logo. Oh, no, not object. So let's add object. Shift A. Crap, I'm in edit mode. Also, if you want to add something in edit mode, don't do it unless you want it to be the same color and like really hard to fix. So let's go add plane axis. Let's take it up here. So let's see. So I'm using the object mode. Empty. The plane axis is called empty. And now mask. Vertex group. Increase. Let's see. Nope. We haven't done that. So now there we go. Now there we have it. Let's have scale it. Oh, Control Z, Shift Z, that's wireframe. Scale it down. And actually, let's take it out. That doesn't look good. Alright, just scale it. G, SX, and XV, and let's put it up on Y. Oh man. We get that. G, Z, that, and Shift C. Let's add mask, vertex group, threshold. Now again, smooth. Oh wait, I did 2 masks. Masks. And simple deform. Angle needs to be Z. Let's increase the threshold actually. Like that. Now we have the object right here. We used object, right? If you just move it like that, like this is not animation. It's just for the object mode, but I really don't know animation, so this is all I can show you for the animation that you asked. You can make it rotate in Studio. Scaling it up, yeah, and scaling it up again. Looks okay like that. Let's scale it down. Oops, I can scale it more down. Oh well. No. Let's delete that and add object and global. Oh boy. Threshold. Now there we go. The camera. Click N. Click View. Click Lock to Camera to View. Unlock Camera to View. Do this. Adjust the way you want to look at it. And click Render and render image. This is a really simple one, but I'm doing it. People keep on asking me how to do it, so just instead of just typing it down, I just want to make a video out of it. Thanks for watching.